And so I think with trading, we do need to seek out those things. You know, if it doesn't feel right, there's something there. And even if there's not, it doesn't feel right. What does that do to your emotions? What happens to your emotions? They go up or down if something is niggling at you. Your emotions go up. And if your emotions go up, what happens to your ability to make sound decisions? It goes down. So even if it comes to nothing, you've still got to investigate. And you've got to follow it through to completion. Now, don't go down 50 million rabbit holes and distract yourself and don't make any progress. That's not what I'm saying. But it's, if there's something in your portfolio to do with real money or your trading process or one of your systems or something, you've got to investigate those things, because otherwise they will cause you to lose confidence and lose money.